when that hawk gets you.
Good morning, girls.
Come on, girls. Shut y'all out. I forgot my gloves. I literally can only find one glove. There are hawks out like everywhere today, so I really don't want them to come out. I need to check you. Crack is good. Ivy! Ivy, when that hawk gets you, you better go ahead and tell me bye. I hear them hawks screeching. Oh, great. You're just bringing all your friends. They did not understand the assignment.
All this work, girls, and y'all gave me 2 eggs.
Ivy May. Okay?
I'm literally taking this to y'all's house. Come on.